Love arrived.
Hey. You don't. Wouldn't I come later?
Who is she?
Who is she?
That's under the cover.
I'm sorry to inform you, but there are no women here.
I have to work this out.
Natalya.
I gotta go.
Natalya, let's talk.
What do you think you're doing?
I was dancing.
Oh, you dancing here in my house all flooded down there.
As?
I don't believe.
Have some.
How can you? He cheated on me in my own bed.
Want more?
I want. In a line between gutters, a glass of wine and jazz music in the background. I was already starting to analyze my life. But he can't be gay. I never found anything shiny in his wardrobe.
There is that there is not. I have a shiny tie and that doesn't mean I'm gay.
Then I'm talking nonsense.
I hope Natalya forgives me, man. I wanted to introduce her to the boss at the company party. If she isn't, I'm screwed.
My love. Give her some time. She needs to be alone. It was a lot for her, you know?
I go after her. Natalya. You accuse me of ending our marriage and you already have. A naked man.
Me naked? I'm not naked, man.
Carlos, you have no morals to say anything. You were in bed with another man.
Natalya, I need you. Today at the company's firm. All employees will take their wives.
Take him as a wife.
Still ironic, right?
I'm not ironic, no. I'm just formalizing the couple of the year.
Natalya, please.
Wants to know? I go.
Forgive me, Natalya, it's me. I'm confused, right? It will be good for us, we talk, anyway. Will be very good. Come on, Junior.
Well, now you better close the door.
Marcelo. I had an idea.
What?
I will fight for my marriage. I will fight for my marriage.
He is sure?
That. He's just confused. He is not gay. I'm going to buy a very sexy and beautiful dress. Yeah, and then I'm off to the party. And then I will dance. And dance.
Yeah, but can you dance?
No, but I can learn. Like you. You can teach me. You were a dancer, would you do this for me?
Yes. With a condition.
Which?
If this story of yours doesn't work out, you'll go out with me.
Like a date?
It is.
Okay. But it will work. I'm going to get my husband back.
Natalya. Looks like he's involved in romance.
Want to bet?
I want.
Suddenly I found myself spinning, whirling, being carried at every turn. Step into a new experience. Was when he did that. Why did you do that?
Got carried away.
Marcelo, I'm fighting for my marriage now.
Stop fooling yourself, Natalya.
I'm not fooling myself, it will work, you will see that the plan will work. Let's do it like this. We forget what happened and start from scratch. Everything will be fine.
It is good too.
Thanks for coming.
I came for us. Why is he here?
It's just that my boss left there, now there's no more danger.
That moment was magical. I realized that everyone was looking at me, everyone admired me, and I didn't want that night to end. Have you seen Carlos, Marcelo? He was eating me with his eyes dying of jealousy.
Natalya. Wake up for the love of God. Charles is in love. And he spent all night looking at his boyfriend.
I came here to get my marriage back. I will stick with the plan.
Good. I go home. The path is long.
Marcelo, I just don't want to hurt you.
I'm not the one you're hurting. And yes, yourself.
I felt something beautiful for Marcelo, but I needed try to regain my old history.
Hey. Thanks for waiting me.
Imagine, I did it for us.
I brought you this. I need you to sign. It's the divorce.
Have you resolved everything here? By the way, Natalya, can you go over there and get your stuff out next week? We are looking to do a renovation.
At that moment I realized how stupid I was to insist on someone who never belonged to me and who had missed the chance to be happy with someone who really saw me with their eyes that I always dreamed of. Within days, I was packing my bags and ready to go to restart my life. Depressed and sad, I prayed for some sign of what to do.
It's amazing how easy it is to get into my house.
I came to tell you that you won the bet. You were right all along. And I should have listened to you. Now I'm here. By chance you accept me. Be your dance and life partner. Today I'm sure that a new life begins when you is ready to completely give up the old one.